The next one is one of my favorites of all time because it doesn't matter what kind of practice you have. Lockup dates. Lockup days are a really, really important metric to monitor. So the lockup days is the time it takes to convert work in progress and receivables into cash, hard cash. This is the metric is important because WIP has an impact on working capital and bank debt. Now, until recently, over the past 30 years, we didn't really have any comprehension of what inflation would do to our business. And we've had historically low interest rates. And so we've become somewhat complacent with our working capital and bank debt. But the last 3-4 years have told us that inflation is very real and central banks can put interest rates up. So the question then becomes, why do I allow my clients